Hello guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, we will answer the question, Verizon Business or Verizon Personal Account? Which option is the best? Let's dive in. Of course, for those who don't know that much, Verizon is one of the most popular and of course biggest network carriers in the USA. It has the widest network coverage in the United States and it was founded in 2000 and runs a national 4G LTE network for the US's 98% of the population, almost all of it. Diversity makes it user-friendly and allows every individual as well as of course businesses to utilize it. So yes, should you use a business plan or a personal plan? We'll see. Let's start with Verizon Business. Verizon Business accounts cater specifically to the needs of course businesses, providing services tailored for them. So I can just talk about the actual features and the benefits of using a business account. One is of course customized plans. The business account offers flexible plans designed to accommodate the unique requirements of different industries and organizations. So if your actual organization needs a specific need, these plans will include an option for that, like multiple lines, shared data, different add-ons, and it will definitely work. And this also comes with enhanced security. Verizon recognizes that as a business, you need more security than the average person, so they will have additional security measures such like a VPN, mobile device management solutions, and advanced threat detection. Also, since you are so big and you might have much more problems, they will have priority customer support for you as well, and their business applications and general business tools will help you much more. But the personal account is also great as well if you're a single person using their services. They have family plans, they have retail availability and easy to access features. Their consumer focused features are generally great for everyday people, and their personalized plans of course will do much more for your international surmix and everything. So even though Verizon offers a distinct account option, caters to both business and personal needs, business accounts prioritize customization, security, and dedicated support. And of course, personal accounts focused on individualized plans, entertainment options, and accessibility. Exploring the general user experiences from the Verizon community forums and general internet discussions provide valuable insight into the benefits of both. But of course, by understanding the unique features, we can actually decide which one we want to use. You should always ask yourself, do I need more prioritizing, more security and support, or do I just need more individuality and more accessibility? Thinking about those will help you make sure which one you need, business or personal. Also, if you decide, don't forget to tell us down in the comment section. Other than that was it. We hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.